Hello digital family. Today I will show you a very useful thing that can surely make your work in Microsoft Office Word program easier. It's about the replace function that this program offers. The replace function in Microsoft Word is a powerful tool that allows you to find specific text and replace it with something else. This can be very handy if you need to change a recurring word or phrase in a document. I created a Word document with some text I added. The text is on 2 pages. Let's find out how many times the word tutorials appears in the text. Press the Ctrl key and the F key simultaneously. A side navigation menu has opened. There we will type the word tutorials. Click Enter. We see that word highlighted 3 words. Now click on the small arrow pointing down. Several available options will appear. Click on Replace. A new menu has opened. In the lower text field, enter the word you want to replace your word with. We will replace the word tutorials with videos. If we click the Replace button, Microsoft Word will replace the first word it found. As you can see, instead of tutorials, we put videos. To continue, click the Replace button again. And we will do it once more to replace all 3 words. Let's repeat the process now. We'll use the quick way. We want to replace this Windows/Linux with Windows and Linux. We'll enter Windows and Linux. Now, to replace all words at once, click on the Replace All button. We received a notification that 3 changes were made. If we look at the replaced text, we see there's no space after the word Linux. Be careful about that if you change many words in some large text. I'll repeat the process. I'll add a space at the end. I'll click on Replace All. And as you can see, we got a neatly edited text. Expect more tricks and useful tips for Word in the upcoming period on our channel. Don't forget to support us with a subscribe. Thank you.